Welcome back. You're still watching How Are You Doing Ghanaian Business, and we're discussing microfinance. Before we went on break, we had another caller. So it looks like the issue of credibility is very dear to the hearts of a lot of Ghanaians, and like the caller intimated, the very bad practices of some of the microfinance players are giving the generality of the industry a very bad name.
Yeah. I associate myself to the sentiment that was expressed. These are some of the reports that we do receive on a daily and a weekly basis in our setup. But I can assure the general public that I'm not talking from Bank of Ghana, but I've met with them. They are initiating serious actions this December, trying to weed out those who are non-licensed. So we will plead with the general public to still continue to have confidence in us. We are there to provide them with services which under normal circumstances might be very difficult for them to have. So they should continue saving with us.
Yeah, hello. Hello, we have a call on the line. Hello. Hello, Emmanuel.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. Please, I want to contribute to the program.
Yes, let's hear you.
My concern is with the interest rates which are charged by the microfinance institutions. Some of them, the amount of the interest rate is far above 30%. Some of them even 100%.
Oh, okay.
And we don't see Bank of Ghana or the regulators checking them on those things, because I have a lot of colleagues who have taken loans from them which they are paying more than 100%, but they don't calculate to see the interest rate before they go for the loan.
Okay. Thank you very much there for your views. Yeah, so I mean, this issue about the interest rates, we all understand that you take your capital from the banks and also, transfer them onto the customers. But is it possible to have as high as 100% interest rate on a loan?
When we began the discussion, I basically said we also are traders. We trade the other microfinance, especially the tier 2 people who give out loans, go out to the commercial banks to go and lend, and also on lend to their clients. And the area that we are also dealing with is difficult because we don't get collateral substitute.
Yes, hold on to that thought. We have George on the line. Hello, George.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Let's hear you, George.
Me pacho, me free kumase na me sebu o Edin. Na Edin fwe, se ubedu ho no mo kano so branch. Na nipa gu ho sa na sebu ho no mo. Na me kose me ko yi misika ma di ho akonye basa me nsanka misika. Ubeko bi atada ko mutime pamo ye ta free ho no mo. Na me humra e wo ho masa de no se misika da ho. Na me be yi ne be du ba bi mu use force on us say yen pm free. E du ba bi kura obi ko pagya o mu flat screen. E ma ko fa problem bebre ba. Me pese me humra e cover sa de no.
Yo George, Jinaso, your producer no Bekasa or Efidenechi. Yeah, so issues of credibility. But we were talking about the interest. And so I mean, shouldn't there be clear modalities and guidelines to regulate some of these things to ensure that this sector of operators have this minimum threshold that they cannot go above, and so on and so forth.
Yeah, like we have the base rates with the commercial banks.